Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Alex.
And I'm Sora. We are so happy to have you here with us today on Ready Talk.
This is the place where we have slow, easy conversations to help you improve your English listening and speaking.
That's right. We want to help you feel confident when you speak. Before we start our topic today, please take a second to click the subscribe button.
Yes, please subscribe. It helps our channel a lot, and you will never miss a lesson.
Are you ready, Alex?
I am definitely ready. Let's go. Sora, I was looking at my calendar this morning, and I realized it is almost spring. Do you know what that makes me think of?
Let me guess. Is it the cherry blossoms?
Exactly. It makes me think of Japan. We both lived there for a while, and I miss it so much.
Me too. Japan is such a special country. There's so much to see, from the big bright lights of Tokyo to the quiet temples in the mountains.
I wanted to ask you, out of all the places you visited in Japan, which one is your absolute favorite?
Oh, that is such a difficult question, Speaker One. It's like asking me to choose my favorite food. I love it all. But if I have to choose one place that feels like home, it would be Kyoto.
Kyoto, the cultural heart of Japan. I should have known. You love history, don't you?
I do. I love how Kyoto feels like a giant museum, but people actually live there. What about you? Are you a city boy or a nature lover?
You know me, Sora. I love the mountains. My favorite place was Hakone.
Hakone is beautiful. It's famous for the hot springs and the views of Mount Fuji.
Exactly. Let's talk about why we love these places. Maybe it will help our listeners plan a trip one day.
So let me tell you about Kyoto. When I first went there, I took the Shinkansen, the bullet train from Tokyo. It was so fast.
The bullet trains are amazing. They are so clean and always on time.
Yes, when I arrived in Kyoto, the first thing I saw was the Kyoto Tower. But when you walk just a little bit away from the station, you find the old streets.
You mean the Gion district?
Yes, Gion. That is the area where you can sometimes see geishas. The streets are made of stone and the buildings are made of dark wood. It feels very old and very elegant.
Did you see a geisha?
I did. Just for a second. She was walking very fast to a dinner appointment. Her kimono was beautiful. It had patterns of flowers and birds.
I remember the temples there. My favorite was the Kinkakuji, the golden pavilion.
Oh, the temple covered in gold leaf. It is so bright. When the sun shines, the reflection in the water is perfect.
I remember you took a photo there and a deer almost ate your map.
Oh no, that was in Nara. Nara is very close to Kyoto. The deer there are very friendly, but they are also very hungry. They love the special crackers you can buy.
Right. Back to Kyoto, though. I loved the Fushimi Inari Shrine. You know, the one with the thousands of red gates.
The Torii Gates. Yes, they go all the way up the mountain. It's a long walk, but it is so peaceful.
I felt like I was walking through a red tunnel. I think I walked for 2 hours that day. My legs were so tired.
But that's the best part of Kyoto. You walk a lot, but you see something beautiful at every corner. Small gardens, hidden tea houses, and monks in their robes. Okay, Alex, tell me about Hakone. Why do you prefer the mountains over the city?
Well, Tokyo and Kyoto can be very busy. Sometimes I just want to hear the wind in the trees. Hakone is perfect for that.
It is very close to Tokyo, right?
Yes, only about an hour or two by train. My favorite thing to do there is take the Hakone Ropeway. It's a cable car that goes over a volcanic valley.
Oh, I know that place. It's called Owakukudani, right? The Great Boiling Valley.
That's the one. You can see the steam coming out of the ground. It smells a bit like sulfur, kind of like eggs.
Yes, and they sell the black eggs there.
Exactly. They boil the eggs in the natural hot water. The shell turns completely black. They say if you eat one egg, it adds 7 years to your life.
Did you eat one?
I ate 3, so I'm going to live a very long time, Sora.
You are going to be a very old English teacher. But the best part of Hakone is the view, isn't it?
Yes, on a clear day, you can see Mount Fuji across Lake Ashi. It is the most famous mountain in Japan. It looks like a perfect cone with white snow on top.
It is very iconic. I remember we took a boat cruise on that lake, but it wasn't a normal boat.
No, it was a pirate ship. I don't know why there's a pirate ship in the middle of Japan, but it was very fun.
It's a bit funny and strange, but that's what makes Japan great. There is always a surprise.
After the boat ride, I went to an onsen. That is a Japanese hot spring bath.
Were you nervous? You have to be naked in an onsen.
At first, I was very shy, but once you get into the hot water, you forget everything. All your stress just melts away. It is the best way to relax.
We can't talk about Japan without talking about food. What did you eat in Hakone?
I had soba noodles, buckwheat noodles, served cold with a dipping sauce. It was very refreshing. What about you in Kyoto?
I had matcha everything. Matcha tea, matcha ice cream, and even matcha chocolate. Kyoto is famous for green tea. It's a bit bitter, but I love the taste.
I remember the street food in Osaka too. That's near Kyoto. We had takoyaki.
Taco balls. They are hot and crispy on the outside and soft on the inside.
I burned my tongue because I was too excited to eat them.
You are always too excited to eat, Alex. But that's the spirit of Japan. Ichiko ichie. Do you remember that phrase?
One time, one meeting. It means we should treasure every moment because it will never happen again in the exact same way.
That is a beautiful way to think. I felt that way every day I was in Japan.
If our listeners want to go to Japan, what advice do you have for them?
My first tip is get a Japan Rail Pass. It makes traveling between cities very easy and saves a lot of money.
That's a great tip. My tip is learn a few basic phrases. Even just saying arigato, thank you, or sumimasen, excuse me, with a smile goes a long way.
Japanese people are very polite. If you try to speak a little bit of Japanese, they will be very happy and try to help you.
Also, don't be afraid of the vending machines. They are everywhere. You can buy hot coffee, cold juice, and even hot soup from a machine on the street.
I once saw a vending machine that sold umbrellas. It is very convenient country.
It really is. I hope our talk today makes our listeners want to visit Japan.
Well, Alex, I think I need to go look at my old Japan photos now. I'm feeling a bit homesick for Kyoto.
Me too. Maybe we should plan a trip for the channel one day.
That would be amazing. Ready Talk goes to Tokyo.
We hope you enjoyed our conversation today. Did you understand most of it? We hope it was good practice for your ears.
If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up. It helps us reach more students like you.
And tell us in the comments, what is your favorite place in Japan? Or where do you want to go?
We love reading your comments. Thank you for watching and listening to Ready Talk.
Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next lesson.
Keep practicing your English. You are doing a great job.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.